Hey everyone, Camtasia 2022 is out, and I have a couple of things I want to show you. My favorite thing is about the cursor effects. I have on my screen a recording I just made of a demo I would normally do, and look what I can do with the cursor effects. They have something called now the cursor path. So in my video, I have moved around my mouse a whole bunch. As you can see, the mouse is moving around a whole bunch. Let's make the mouse a little bit bigger so we can really see it. Let's highlight it. There we go. See, it's yellow right about there. And I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Make it a little bit bright, bigger so you can really see it. Now check this out. Over here it says Edit Cursor Path. I want to go from here to there. So instead of doing that edit there, I'm going to do a path from there over there. So let's select this from right there until there. Edit cursor path. And here we have, I'm going to create a new path. Continue. So you see I have the line right here? So move this from over here to there. And move this one up here to here, okay, and finish editing. So now, let's see what happens if I press play. Instead of that mess, okay, it just went straight over there, and now I'm just waiting there for it. It didn't go crazy, didn't do all that other stuff that I had before. Isn't that nifty? More tips coming in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.